In this video, we'll show you 3 methods to apply the repricing rules to your listings. You can pick the method that is most suitable for your situation. Method number 1, apply the rules manually. This method is suitable if you want to quickly change one listing. It is recommended for beginner sellers who have less than 100 listings. First, go to Active Listings under Listing tab. Go to the listing that you want to apply repricing rule and click under Rule and click Save after you have selected the rule. Method number 2, apply the rules by bulk. This method is suitable if you want to apply to multiple listings at once. It will help you set the selected listings all under the same rule. First, select the listing that you want to reprice, and then go to Bulk Actions and click on Set Min and Max Price and Rule. Turn on to set the rule and select the rule that you want to apply and hit the Save button. Method number 3, apply the rules by default. This method could help you set up your newly added listings to the same rule in default to save you time. First, go to Active Listings under Listing tab, then go to Settings and click on General to turn on to set default repricing rule and pick the one that you want to apply to all your newly added listings and hit the Save button. For more information, if you go to the question mark, click on it and go to the Search Knowledge Base. It will bring you to the support site. There you will also find more video tutorials that you can watch and learn about the features in detail.